Tired of your Add to Cart button looking like every other WooCommerce store? Learn how to add a custom one that stands out in under 2 minutes. We'll open the Elementor editor on your homepage, find the Custom Add to Cart widget, and see how to activate it with pro features.
Go ahead and edit the home page with Elementor.
Then click on the highlight to make sure it's selected.
Next, click on Woocommerce. Then choose Custom Add to Cart from the options. Click on Use Custom Add to Cart widget and dozens more pro features to extend your toolbox and build sites faster and better. Click on Upgrade Now. Then click on Upgrade Now again, and you're all set. Enjoy! If you have any feedback or if any info is inaccurate, please leave a comment below. We'll do our best to answer or redo the video if needed. Thanks for watching.